More than anyone, darling, you know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart.
What is up everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, you can visit this playlist that I'm building my KP30 from the start. So today is episode 4. Wait. This is our seats. Look at that, it was so pretty. Everything is so pretty. So my KP30 is over there. And I'm sorry for the last episode I didn't film about the inside of the car. Let's get into it. So now the inside is painted with the black color anti-rust, and you can see now it is all black color. And also for the bottom, we paint all this so that it won't rust in the future. Also the front, all of these we painted. And we got our carpet here. This one we just bought the carpet, and we are going to fix that today. Before I start this video, I want to thank 800 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you want to see more this build or this build, subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I hope I can shoot more quality videos for you guys during the quarantine. I just love building them, so I just took out my phone and I filmed it. Oh yeah, all my videos I shoot them with phone, so I'm sorry for the quality if it is poor. So let's get today's video started. And the next thing that we should done to this car thing is the wiring system, because the tail lamps, the front, all the signals is not working, and also the wipers. So today is building the carpets because this car doesn't have a carpet since I bought it, and it was very messy at first. If you look back to the episode, now we painted it so that it won't rust in the future, and then later we will put on the carpets so that it is very comfortable to ride. Driving it comfortable is a must for a car, because I don't care about the outside look of the car, look rust or look. I just care about the interior of the car, because when you drive the car, you don't want to drive it in a very messy situation, very disgusting situation. You want to drive it on a very comfortable situation. And also not the engine, as long as it is running. I don't care about the power, as long as it is running. And one day I'm going to put some aircon on it, and also some wheels. And also the rear bumper, we are going to find one because it is rusty. They painted with a silver color, it is not chrome. I think we're gonna get one bumper. If we couldn't find one, I think I'm gonna do the chrome webs that I did for my pickup. Look at that baby, so pretty. You can't even tell it is a chrome webbing. It just looks very chrome. If you haven't seen this video, go visit this video. It's very funny. Alright guys, so right now we are going to paint this part to the black color, and also this part, the rusty part, we're gonna paint it to the black color. Oh yeah, by the way, I want to show you guys something about this cool seat. So back in the days when the car is two-door and people want to go to the backside, and they have to release this thing so that they can go to the backside, and this is not adjustable, means that your seats are not adjustable. You have to pull it off. So now we'll be sanding off that part, and then we have to tape it, and we can spray painting it. Here, as you can see, it is smooth now and ready for the paint. We are going for the matte black. So this is the matte black, as you can see. All the pieces done painting matte black, and the seats over here, it is done painting matte black. And also for this one, it is matte black. For the carpet, we bought this for the KP30. It's a very thick carpet so that we have a comfy ride when we drive the car. And also the handbrake, we're gonna spray it black. And we just sanded off these handbrakes, and we are ready to paint. Alright, it looks good, and wet it to dry. So the seats are done and look at this matte black. So my dad is trying to...
Yes, my workers.
My work.
Dad.
He's adding the dashboard cleaner.
Yes,
It's
polish.
something like the Almoro.
就是 something like Amoro，就是 Amoro 来的。
How to make your seat looks brand new.
Look like
101.
new，不是 look brand new。If you brand new means seen like new.
Like new.
Yeah, not brand new.
Sorry guys. Look at these two beauty seat guys. It's brand new now. Look at them. They are so shiny now. And the seat is done finally. You can see it is very shiny now with this thing. My dad is working on the carpets. So we got our glue for the carpets. So my dad just put on one small pieces one, but the day is almost end and we are not able to finish it, so we're gonna postpone it to tomorrow. Ooh, everything looks good. What is up? It's another day, so it is quite hard to to glue the carpet. So this is the update. My dad just stick for this one and also the firewall here, and this carpet is quite thick. If you look at this, it is quite nice for the car. So after a few years, we just done wrapping the firewalls, as you can see, and there's still a whole big piece here to go. So we are applying the glue to the carpet. Straight pipe.
Octopus.
So my dad is fitting the carpets.
My workers. Bumi dia.
Beautiful sky, and the carpet is done. It's another day and we are working on the front carpets. Boom! So we bolted the seats on and the carpets look good. Look at this, all this, it looks good. We fixed all the edge from this one, all the edge, we put it in. Let's start this car up. Whoa. Everything looks good and we are now working on the back seat, and we're gonna put the back seat on and for the passenger. And we also got our new steering wheel for the car, because for this one it is already damaged. So we finally got our back seat bolted on. Everything is in a good shape. The bolts there, it's pretty hard to bolt it. And here, what is up everyone, it's another day and we are done with the carpets. Look at that, oh my god, everything is good in shape. And I want to show you guys something about this. If you want to go to the back of the car, just pull it just like that and you can go to the back of the car. It looks good, everything is good, but we just have to fix the door cards for all the doors. I think it fits perfectly right now. You can just sit down like that and it is everything is new, right? It's a very long process but really satisfied. Look at all the trims, oh my god, it looks good. Guys, look at this Japanese license plate that I just installed on it. Oh, it looks so good and the hole fit perfectly, because this car is with the original license plate, what we call this, the hole, and the plate is I bought from Japan. And oh my god, this thing is sick. It's a metal plate. This thing is sick. This was my old KP30 plate number 1159, but I'm gonna find this one. Anyone you have the Japanese plate, please let me know. So right now we are replacing the old safety belts to the new one, and also this one is for here. Yep. And this thing is actually the pull. You can pull. It's a new technology because this one is not pull type. We are going to install this one at here. Alright guys, so we are done for the seat belts. This thing is actually have to bolt it somewhere here in the frame, but mine is, you know, very old model, so it doesn't have a hole in the frame, so I just bolted it on my chair. Let me show you guys. So this thing is bolted right here. It can pull, and this one there is a hole here, and you can just pull it like that. Alright, just pull it and then you can buckle it up. You buckle it up, and just like that you have your seat belt ready. And for the last piece, we are done. Oh, finally. And this thing, you just have to pull it all the way, and you have your safety belts on, just like that. Oh, look at that. So this is the view from the front side, and also the back seat. Oh, everything fits perfectly. Look at the carpet and everything. Oh, nice.
Build me up, borrow a cup, baby, just to let me down, and mess me around in the world of old. You never go, baby, when you say you will, but I'll always still like you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, borrow a cup.
Thank you for making it to the end of the video today. That's a wrap for today. And the car looks pretty good right now with the very clean and very comfortable interior, so that we can drive the car comfortably. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I'm really so thankful that you watched until the end. So see you guys on the next video, on the next build, on the next project. See you guys.